The Realme 7 Pro will be available in two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. So let's unveil the price now. The Realme 7 Pro 6GB 128GB will be priced at Recently, Realme has become the first brand with a smartphone product passing TÜV Rheinland smartphone reliability verification. This verification tests the whole smartphone quality and not only the display or any other single component. And again, a strong verification of Realme's trend-setting quality. Yes, smartphones are the windows to get us integrated with the interconnected world. So without any further delay, I am super excited to introduce the first product myself, Realme 7 Pro. For the Realme 6 series, we choose the Pro display and the Pro camera as the two most important upgrades. At the same time, we never stop thinking. We are always pushing boundaries to take the user experience further. According to our survey, cameras are the still #1 choice of our users and they are expecting more performance from the device. During the R&D of the Realme 7 series, we decided to ramp up the specs with a more powerful camera and boost performance so that the Realme 7 series users can capture sharper and charge faster. So without further ado, let's take a look at the device and start with the exciting design, which is my favorite part in the Realme 7 series. I believe you definitely noticed the change of the ID style, which has received a great response. Now this new style is coming with the new Realme 7 series. In Realme 7 series, we combine the geometric design with the premium back cover material and we call it the AG split design. In nature and in human society, there are many scenes or reflections or mirror-like symmetry such as sky, lakes or roads. This unique aesthetic of Realme 7 series is inspired by this type of designs. A straight line starting from the bottom and passing through the camera, dividing the back of the phone into two distinct parts with varied light effects, presenting asymmetry perfectly in a visually harmonious and a balanced way. The back cover is processed to achieve an anti-glare effect, which is a high-end technique usually seen in the high-end flagship phones. We are bringing such premium touch and feel to the mid-ranger segment. No matter it's blue or silver color, the anti-glare effect highlights the radial lighting origin from the straight line. Realme 6 series has been recognized for its handy touch and feel. Dare to push our own boundary? Regardless the increase in the battery size, we have still made Realme 7 Pro 13 grams lighter and 0.2 mm thinner. With a thinner body, matte touch and anti-glare lighting effect, the overall feel in your hand is significantly improved. The Realme 7 Pro sports two beautiful colors, mirror silver and mirror blue. They are beautiful, aren't they? Let's move to the fast charge now. Realme's pursuit of charging technology has always been a notch above the industry. In Realme 6 series, we have used 30 watts dart charge, which is capable of fully charging the 4300 mAh battery in less than an hour. As the leader in the fast charging technology in this industry, we want to be the pioneer to bring the fast charging technology to the mass and to bring India's smartphone industry to its next chapter. Fast charging on every smartphone. In the Realme 7 Pro, we are using the fastest 65 watt super dart charge. Undoubtedly India's fastest charging phone, and we have increased the battery capacity from 4300 mAh to 4500. With 65 watt super dart, the 4500 mAh battery can go from 0 to 100% in just 34 minutes. Fast charging at this level is something you should not try unless you are mentally ready. Just hear from the Realme X2 Pro users and X50 Pro users. They will tell you that once you have experienced such a never before and unmatched speed, you can never go back to our lower charging phones. Let's adapt ourselves to the speed of 65 watts first so that you feel easier when we launch the 125 watts in India later. The most significant advantage of the fast charging is not fully charging but high charging efficiency in a short time. Let's take a look at this chart. It shows the charging speed within 15 minutes from the beginning. 65 watt super dart charge goes fast at an incredible speed. 3 minutes for 13%, 5 minutes for 34%, and 10 minutes for 42%, and 15 minutes for 58%. Imagine when you are going to get off from work to a party, but with a low battery you can need only just 15 minutes break. Realme 7 Pro will have sufficient power to use for all night. Thanks to 65-watt Super Dart, it's only 3 minutes charge relatively. You can continuously watch a 2.5 hours of YouTube, use Instagram for 2 hours. If your battery is below 5% and the user wants to charge the device and play simultaneously, Realme 7 Pro charges up to 43% within a round of 30 minutes. Probably if you survive, but surely I cannot. This exceptional charging technology is more than 3 times faster than 33 volts fast charging and doesn't let the gaming experience disrupt for the user. And don't forget, Realme's charging technology is a high current, low voltage solution, which is not just safer and cooler than other solutions in the industry, but more importantly, having great advantage when you are watching movies or playing games or while charging. The more you use, the faster it charges. Moreover, the 65-watt Super Dart charge is also compatible with PD and QC fast charging protocol with a maximum power of 18 watts. Satisfactory charging speeds can be achieved even while using other fast charging devices. So what's the secret behind the Super Dart? First of all, the Realme 7 Pro uses a high-rate 3C battery. The battery with a higher C value means it can charge faster. Realme 7 Pro applies 2 3C rate 20 to 50 mAh battery, significantly increasing the battery charging input power. With 3C high-rate battery cells, Realme 65-watt Super Dart directly charges the battery with a 10-watt 6.5 ampere under the control of an optimized fast charging algorithm. In the discharge process, Super Dart uses a charge pump to halve the voltage of a dual cell battery and reach a voltage capable of powering the phone, ensuring charging speed as well as the temperature control. According to our test, the efficiency of charging is 98%, which means very little energy is wasted in the charging process. At the same time, the charging process is strictly controlled and cooled to prevent overheating. The charging temperature in standby will be controlled well below 40 degrees. Safety is the paramount. As always for Realme, the charging system contains the smart 5-chip protection and 10 temperature sensors. Together, it provides a comprehensive real-time monitoring of the power level, enabling faster and safer charging. That's all for the Super Dart. I believe it will be the most solid support for the enhanced user experience in the Realme 7 Pro. Next upgrade in the sharper part is the camera. As the pioneer of 64 megapixel camera, Realme continues to push the limits of the images. This time, Realme brings the second generation of 64 megapixel quad camera system to the Realme 7 Pro. We call it second generation 64 megapixel as it is not only an update on the hardware, but many never before features from Realme that enables user to capture sharper. At the core of the second generation 64 megapixel quad camera system is the new Sony IMX682 sensor. With improved pixel performance, Sony IMX682 has an incredible light sensing ability with 1 by 1.73 inch super large size sensor, 64 megapixel super high pixels that supports quad bare and pixel size up to 1.6. Even a little bit of light can produce a super bright images. In addition to the upgraded sensor, the primary camera is composed of 6P lens with an aperture size of 1.8, which can support up to 10x zoom thanks to the extremely high resolution. So not only the hardware, but we have also optimized software with a new multi-frame algorithm based on IMX682, which enables the camera to shoot the clearest details in 64 megapixel mode. Here are some more amazing pictures in the day and night shot on the new 64 megapixel camera. Isn't it fantastic? Yes. Comparison shows the difference. Comparing with the first generation 64 megapixel camera, you observe much better details. The one key highlight while comparing the cameras is the zoom in picture. If you see that, high pixels and telephoto lens both can give you a good zoom in effect. While comparing Realme 7 Pro sample pictures with Realme X50 Pro with 2x photo lens capability, you can see what you zoom in the picture. The details of the 7 Pro camera are as much as zoomed 2x photo lens or maybe even better. Take our comparisons a step further. How's the performance of second generation 64 megapixel camera compared to 108 megapixel? With a great 64 megapixel sensor and a new software algorithm, the 64 primary is as sharp as 108 megapixel. Isn't that amazing? Even at night, the 64 megapixel is comparable to 108 megapixel as Sony sensor has been renowned for its night shots. Overall hardware is the only foundation and the combination of hardware and the software is the absolute truth. Let's talk more about the night shots. We have introduced flagship level starry mode on X3. Now, I've seen many users asking us to bring this feature to the mass. And here it is, guys. Yes, it for the first time available on the mid-range phones on both Realme 7 and 7 Pro. Nightscape mode was first introduced on Realme 3 Pro back in 2019. With our continuous optimization based on feedback is now the Pro Nightscape mode on Realme 7 Pro. It integrates with multi-frame algorithm and also enables you to adjust your shutter, ISO and white balance and other parameters that allows capturing the clearest movements in the low light without noise and blur effects. With 64 megapixel high quality primary camera and Sony sensor has been renowned for the night shot. Realme 7 series Nightscape mode 4.0 presents the real beauty at night. Let's have a look at some sample photos and I'm sure you will definitely love it. This is among one of my favorite. Our users always expect something more from this Dare to Leap brand. Hence, we are introducing 3 more night filters for the first time from Realme smartphones. Cyberpunk with purple and blue, Flamingo with red and gray, Modern Gold with black and gold. Just one tap and you can easily shoot style city nightscape photographs wonderfully. Great image quality at night shouldn't be only for the still pictures. Users have been asking for nightscape features on videography, so we did it as well. Isn't it amazing, guys? Ultra Nightscape video first time available on Realme 7 Pro. Yes, you heard it right. With the excellent sensor and software optimization, it improves the light sensitivity while applying noise reduction and color boost algorithms to brighter and more clearer night videos. Enough of the new features to call it a second generation 64 megapixel camera system? I think no. That's more to it. Again, never before and first time, the AI color portrait video on Realme 7 Pro. Yes, in this mode, you can keep part of the portrait colored while the rest of the color will change to different shades of gray, which highlights the people in the video, bringing an astonishing cinematic visual effect, even on the videos now. A recap of Realme 7 Pro captures sharper second generation 64 megapixel camera. We have introduced Starry mode, night filters, ultra nightscape video, AI color portrait, UIS on the primary camera and UIS Max on the wide angle lens. Excellent software optimization based on the renowned Sony sensor and many more. So I think I'll be falling short of my fingers. Let's move to the next trend setting flagship, the display of the Realme 7 Pro, which all your people would be excited to listen on. In a Twitter poll which I had few days back, more than 80% of the users prefer AMOLED display, more than high refresh rate LCD display. I heard you guys, and yes, this time we decided to make another breakthrough by bringing the fantastic Super AMOLED display to the Realme 7 Pro. The display comes with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 98% NTSC color gamut. The diameter of the camera punch hole is also 3.69 mm. So the screen to body ratio reaches up to 90.8%, which means a more immersive visual experience, better image quality and a brighter color. More importantly, the OLED display enables a more convenient in-display fingerprint to unlock, and the sensor being used is the new generation, the latest generation goodies, which means faster, more accurate and safer. In the tiny punch hole in the front is a 32 megapixel high resolution selfie camera. 32 megapixel is the top high pixel for the front camera up till date. It can provide higher clarity in a brighter environment, and in the dark environment, it could take photos with high brightness by 4-in-1 pixels. Like the rear camera, the selfie camera also supports the portrait bokeh, HDR and AI beautification. Apart from this, Nightscape selfie is also widely praised by our users. It could greatly improve selfie image quality even at night. Now let's talk about the processor. The Realme 7 Pro is driven by the powerful Snapdragon 720G. The processor applies an advanced 8nm production process to make it stand out in the performance and efficiency. Is 2.3 GHz high frequency Creo 465 CPU, comes with a powerful Adreno 618 GPU, delivering a seamless gaming experience with a high image quality. And the powerful leading ISP is also the source of 64 megapixel camera's power. In short, no compromise for the multitasker, significant improvement again from its last generation. Audio effect. Realme users know that we are one of the very few brands that actually put energy on this front. And you know what is our benchmark level. Yes, Realme 7 Pro is a dual speaker phone and is equipped with your favorite Dolby Atmos sound effect and high-res certification. and as our partnership with Dolby goes deeper, both teams have been continuously working together to push our boundaries and share our experience, be it's Realme smartphone or Realme TV. Realme 7 Pro features 3 card slots, a dual SIM slot, dedicated SD card slot which is expandable up to 256 GB, so that you never run out of the space for images, videos or your favorite files. Finally, let's talk about quality. From the very beginning, Realme is committed to bring trend-setting products with the highest quality. This time we have gone a notch above. Realme has partnered with TUV Renlen to conduct comprehensive reliability tests on Realme 7 and 7 Pro. Realme 7 series are the first smartphones, yes guys, first smartphones that pass TUV Renlen smartphone reliability verification. The TUV Renlen smartphone reliability verification contains 3 usage scenarios: daily use, components, reliability and extreme environment. Realme has upgraded quality tests to the further improve the reliability of smartphone, making Realme users freely enjoy the pleasure brought by the leap-forwarding technology and trend-setting designs. You may have heard of this description in some of the other models or in some of the brands, but most of them are in display or in some of the other sections of the phones. This is for the first time our smartphone has achieved this, which is aligned with our promise to bring you the world's first-class quality products to our users. Now let's have a short recap video for our Realme 7 Pro.
Realme 7 Pro. Capture sharper, charge fastest. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Alright, that's all for the Realme 7 Pro. Sony's 64 megapixel sharpest new quad camera, 65 watt super dart charge, Super AMOLED display, Snapdragon 720G processor, dual speakers, Dolby sound, 3 card slot and the best quality certified by TUV Renlen. Realme 7 Pro is an amazing phone offering with all the desired features for a flagship experience. I believe you will definitely love it. Finally, let's take a look at the price for the amazing Realme 7 Pro. A real flagship for the youth, featuring Sony's 64 megapixel sharpest quad camera, India's fastest 65 watt super dart charge, Super AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 720G processor, dual Dolby Atmos speakers, best quality certified by TUV Renlen and many awesome features. The Realme 7 Pro will be available in 2 variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB. So let's unveil the price now. The Realme 7 Pro 6GB 128GB would be priced at ₹19,999 only. The Realme 7 Pro 8GB 128GB would be priced at ₹21,999. The first sale for Realme 7 Pro will be on 14 September 2020, starting at 12 noon. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com and will be soon available in the stores nearby you.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.